Come on. Those things are harder than I thought. Can run a $1.4 million excavator, I can't like this.
Come on, Rick, you got it. That's it. That's it. Nice one.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, first boulder. Yeah, I mean, we did get far below the surface. We're already seeing some boulders, so that's exciting. The heavy rock, like Jeff said. We see a lot of that over on Duncan Creek, too. Yeah, all I know is the heavy rocks mean there'll be gold there. If they move rocks, they move gold.
The boulders and gravels were moved by fast-flowing water from a melting glacier. As it traveled, the heavy gold would have been trapped in the dirt around the rocks.
This is number 10.
Nice. I think we got another 15 to go.
To assess how much gold is in Jeff's claim, Rick needs to fill 25 pails, equivalent to half a yard of dirt.
It's going through it.
Yeah.
Good looking stuff. Bring it back home and sample it. See if it's got a bunch of gold in it. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
I'm vibrating, my ears are ringing. I didn't realize how loud the thing was. This thing's awesome. First things first, we'll see what we get out of the sample.
Sure.
And then yeah, I'll let you know. And then we'll kind of discuss things from there. Thanks a lot, Jeff.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Yeah.
With the half-ton of pay loaded onto the side-by-side, Rick now needs to bring it back to Duncan Creek, where he'll test the sample.
I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. Straight down.
Right on. Yeehaw.
Oh,
Your front tire is off.
oh yeah. Yeah, no, she ain't going anywhere. Oh yeah, definitely up an axle. Ah, Yukon, this place.